Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Paulie C. I'm going to be doing another Trax video. This is nothing new. There's a little story to go along with this. I traded my other Trax in and I forgot to take off my cap and shield that goes around the gas tank where the gas goes in. It's a funny story because I ordered one of these. It came to my address. They sent the picture to me that it was delivered in the wintertime. And I got the picture, and when I got home the box wasn't there. I thought someone stole it. So anyways, I put a claim in it. Nothing happened with it, but it's funny. I have over, if you look over to the right, there used to be what do you call it, bushes over there. So anyways, the wind blew one of these in the bushes, and that's where it stayed all winter, and I found it. It's like it was meant to be to put on my new Trax. So anyways, actually you can see the water on it. There, if you can even take a snapshot of your camera and go to the website and check them out. Alright, this is a very simple mod to do, so just open it. And the last one I did was in the, I could say, the winter, so the car was actually dirty. It was kind of dirty in there, so I had to clean it off. There's the piece. There's the piece there. If you want to see what it looks like, it's very nice and flexible. Let's see. Why did I put in? Okay, so basically just put it around like this. It sits in there, and just got a mold in there. After a while using this, it starts to fit a lot better. But there you go, and it keeps all the dust and everything down on it, and that's it. It's that simple. Just one of those things, guys. All right, guys, there you go. Like we said before, another day, another mod. Very simple thing, very simple add-on. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Give me a hype on the mobile device. All you got to do is, I think you got to go down to the comments, swipe left, and you'll see the hype option there. So do that if you could. It really helps the channel. Also, check out my link tree. It's got all my links to all my social media. What else do we got there? Oh yeah, check out my what do you call it? Buy my coffee. That really helps my channel too. If you could help me there, that's great. If you can't, I don't care. Your views and your comments really mean a lot to me. So anyways, until next time, we'll see you. Have a good one. Stay safe, and see you in the next video. Bye.